Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. Now, this one comes from Diamondartgift, and they asked if I wanted to show some more stuff, and of course I do. Because I just love these budget companies. I really and truly do. They are very generous in letting us pick out what we want. And I try to find things that you may not have seen before. That way, you get some kind of idea of the different things that they carry. So, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And please give me some thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the items, about the video. If you got a question, whatever. But, yeah, just do all the YouTube-y things. So, I want to say thank you to Diamondartgift for sending me these items to show to y'all. So, what did I pick out? Well, this is the first thing that I got. And as you can see, it comes with a regular toolkit. It's got your green boat, your pink wax, and your pink single placer pen. And what this is, it is called a rhinestone embroidery clutch, and it is a cat, and they do have different ones to choose from, and this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, because honestly I thought it was going to be about the size of a change purse, one of them little bitty change purses, but this is a partial, so it is very sticky. And it's one of those you squeeze and it pops open. So, it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. And let's see, this was only $2.99. And like I said, they have different ones to choose from. So they don't just have a cat, they've got different ones. But they have purple, there's an orange, red, pink, well that's a light pink, and then that's a darker pink. There's clear and black. So I hope y'all can see these. Let me bring y'all down a little bit. Alright. So I'll show you again. Look at how dark purple that is. That is so pretty. Very pretty. So all you do is you look for all the 8s on here, and then that's what you'll put those on. And then all the H's, so on and so forth. But I thought this was really cute and different. And like I said, I'm very impressed with the size. And it's that fake leather. What's that called? Pleather. Yeah. But that is a very strong snap. So whatever you put in there, it's not going to fall out unless you, put that real, you have to push it. So I thought that was really cute. And like I said, I'm surprised at how big it is, because I really thought that it was just going to be a tiny little change purse. And for it to just be $2.99, that's crazy. So, alright, there's that. I'm going to set that over there. Now, the other thing that I got, which is the last thing I got, was a jewelry box. Now, this is an owl, but they do have different ones to choose from with this also. But on Diamondartgift's website, this is called a special shape Night Bird decorative resin jewelry box. Now this is $13.88, but as you can see, it has an area to where you can put something in right here, and then it has a spot here to where you can put like rings or, you know, whatever you want to put in there. And this is all velvet, and it's, you know, it's velvet plush. And again, this is made out of that fake leather. It's very shiny. It's what it looks like on all sides. Very sticky. Now this area right in here is not to be drilled, just the face. So it comes with a regular toolkit, but it does have some baggies. And let's look at the gems. And again, like I said, this is $13.88 on Diamondartgift. Oh my goodness, y'all. These are so pretty. And it's got 7 colors. But we have a iridescent black. We have got a red, a green. That is a pretty green. We have a light blue. We have yellow, purple, and then look at that. Is that like fuchsia? It's darker than a pink. I think that's what they call fuchsia. But aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh. And look, they just, what, 2? Is that all you need is 2? And that's how many they give you? Am I seeing that correctly? Yeah. Just 2. All I need is 2 of those. Wow. There'll be plenty left over. So that is really nice. Very pretty. Oh, that is really pretty. So has anyone done a jewelry box? I'm just curious. And I wonder, with this being a clutch, should probably seal that afterwards. That way that they don't, you know, when you're using it, they don't fall off. So, but I thought that was pretty, the cat. It's little bows or little flowers in its hair. But yeah. So $13.88 for this, and like I said, this is a spot to where you could put anything you wanted to down in there. But it's velvet on the inside. And it's a pretty good size box. Let me bring you back up. Yeah, pretty good size box. So can y'all see that good? Aren't those colors gorgeous? And it is so super clear. Very clear. And it was good and sticky. And then the cat is pretty clear too. So yeah. So thank you to Diamondartgift for sending these to me to show to y'all. And right now they are running a special of, if you buy 3, you get 1 free. And I'm not sure if that is store-wide or if it is just certain products. So you'll have to check that out. And also, they are 70% off their shipping right now. So, alright, y'all. That's about all I got, because this is all I got was 2 items. So, alright, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. And if you have done something of either one of those, I mean, it doesn't have to necessarily be an owl or a cat, but if you've done a clutch or a jewelry box, just let me know down in the comments at what you thought. And I guess until my next video, I hope you're all well. I hope everyone has a great holiday. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I will see you all in another video. Bye, y'all.